Shobhit Agarwal from Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, Pune. I have been attending this STAR program from NSDC and GTT. So I found this program quite helpful because it helped me improve my communication skills, plus taught me a lot about how to behave in an interview and how to properly increase your communication skills and everything. And how is it helpful in your life? I would like to say it quite helped me in behaving properly in my HR interviews, my technical interviews and everything else. So those of my friends who haven't attended it yet, I would like to say that I guess you should seriously go for this, because it will be very helpful. Whatever you are thinking, whatever you know, it will just add on something to that.
Hello, my name is Digvijay Singh Thakur and I am doing my BTech final year computers in Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, and I signed up for this training NSDC STAR program, and we were given training on soft skills. And the biggest plus point of this program is it bridges the gap between college and corporate world. So the thing is, you learn how to behave in a corporate world, improves your communication skills, how to deal with meetings and presentations. So I think overall it is important for every student in engineering or any other student to know how to behave in the corporate world. So that is why this NSDC STAR program is important for all of us.
My name is Medha Gupta and I study in Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, Pune. I am pursuing my BTech in computer science. I am a final year student and I have attended this NSDC STAR program conducted by GTT, and it was a very beneficial program since it helped in covering the distance from a student world to a professional world. And I would suggest this to my friends that they should attend this program and take it very seriously, because it has really helped us in our interviews, in our HR rounds.
Hello everyone, I am Nancy Gupta from Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, and I am currently pursuing BTech in 4th year from Computer Science. This program that I have attended, NSDC STAR program, was very beneficial for me as it gave me communication skills and soft skills, and everyone who will be attending this program will be increasing their employability level, so it is very beneficial for everyone.